Hi students, today is the programming data structure and algorithm using Python. So we have already solved week 1, week 2, week 3. Today again they have given one assignment, a programming assignment. In this assignment they have asked some question. So the question is, he is asking the difference between pair is must be strictly increasing. Okay, he is asking. So what is this? He has given one function name. Okay, in that function there is one list. So if you will find the difference between two pairs, at first difference between two pairs, that is 2, the difference between another two pair, adjacent pair, that is 4, then adjacent pair, that is 5, adjacent pair, that is 7. So the output, first output is 2, second output is 4, okay, third output is 5, and fourth output is 7. If you are finding the difference between the adjacent pair. So if it is strictly increasing, it means that the answer will be true. Okay. If it is not strictly increasing, that let the another example, then the answer will be false. Now see here, 3 minus 1 is equal to 2, adjacent. 7 minus 3 is equal to 4, 7 minus 2 is equal to 5, and 2 absolute value, 2 minus 3 is equal to 5. You can see this value is 5 and this value is 5. So this is not strictly, okay. So this list is not strictly. Same thing also here. So in this condition the answer must be false. So we have written this answer here, okay. You can see initially we are writing a is equal to 0, then I is working from 1 to length of this list. If a is greater than absolute difference between the two lists, then return will be false. Okay, otherwise the return will be true. So you can see, so according to the question, if this statement will be wrong, then false, otherwise answer will be true. So this is your answer. Now question number 2, we are coming to the question number 2. In the question number 2, he is asking, write a Python program, the sum of the square that takes the return must be odd and even, okay, where odd means sum of the all square and even means sum of the all even number. Now see here, the example is, suppose the function is this sum square and inside the list there are three values 1, 3 and 5. So you can see all the value are 1, 3 and 5, all are odd. So 1 square plus 3 square plus 5 square, that is 35. Okay, answer is 35. Now here in the second example, all three in the list 2, 4, 6 are even. So 2 square plus 4 square plus 6 square is equal to 56. So answer is equal to 56. Now in the third one you can see 1, 2, 3, 7. 1 is odd, 2 is even, 3 is odd, 7 is odd. So the odd square is equal to 59. Sum of the all its square and sum of the all even square is equal to 4. So how to solve this problem? So what we have written, very simple. So this is the name of the function, sum square. We have written odd is equal to sum. So we are writing for I in L, if I is I divided by 2 is not equal to 0. Not equal to 0 means that is odd. So you will square I square. Okay, you will add 1 by 1, and also I square means you are squaring the number. Same thing also for even number. You are finding the even number. Okay, you are finding the even number. So you are finding the even number, okay, then you are adding 1 by 1. So at last in the return you will send odd and even. That is the question. Now question number 3, he is asking question number 3. What is the question number 3? In the question number 3 he is asking, a two-dimensional matrix can be represented in Python row wise as the list of list. Each inner list represent one row of the matrix of instance the matrix. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the this first row, you can see this first row, okay, this first row, this is the first list, okay, and this is second row, this second list, that is the second row of the matrix. Okay, the first list is the first row of the matrix and second list is the second row of the matrix. Okay, this you to understand. Same thing also here, you can see this is the first list 1 5, that is the first row, and this is the second row, that is the, you can see here 2 6. Same thing also for this one and this one. Okay, now in the question you can see the function, the name of the function is transpose. So you can see inside 1 2 3 and 4 5 6. So you are taking the first one and the first one, so that will be the transpose 1 4 and 2 and 5, then 3 and 6. Same thing also for this one and same thing also for this and this also. We are finding the transpose. So what code we have written? Very simple code. DEF transpose M, written M JI. J means column, I means row. So at first we are writing for J in range length of M. So why we have written length of M? Okay, length of means what is the this is the function. So total number of value, total number of list are 2. Okay, so total number of list are 2 means that will be the uh, total number of columns in our transpose matrix. So we have written this one because this is working, this is working for so this is working, the first one is working for the column and second one is working for the row. After that we have written M0. What is the meaning of M0? We will explain. Now M0 means you can see the first one 1 2 3, total number of value are 3, second also total number of value are 3. Okay, same thing also here. If in the first list total number of value is 1, second is also 1, third is also 1. Okay, same thing also here, if 1 is 1. Okay, so how many elements in the first list? You can see how many elements? 3. How many elements are 3? Okay, so it means that our row will be also 3. You can see here row means in the transpose the row will be 3, 1 2 3. Getting? I think that you understand. Okay, so total number of row is 3. If you are not able to understand, here you can understand. This is the best example. Okay, this is the best example to check here. Okay, you can see here, this is very best example. Now so we have written, we are counting this. So the second one is the row and first one is the column. So one by one we are finding the transpose of the matrix. Very simple. Once we have written the code, then I will compile the code. Okay, so once I will compile the code, now see the answer. What is the answer? So you can see that all the tests are passed. So don't ignore this one /n because we are actually expert in C programming. Okay, so there are sometimes problem in /n. Okay, just ignore it. You can see also he has also ignored, but status is passed. Okay, he is ignoring this one. So what the score we got? We passed, and total number of 9 by 9 we got the answer. Okay, thank you so much.